to a special edition of the Doc Y Exchange, Lessons with Doc Y, the teaching edition. For me, it isn't just about content. It's about transformation. What's that? It's teaching. It's been a while since the Doc Y Exchange's last episode, but I couldn't think of a better way to return than with this special edition. Teaching has always been about connection, and today I want to share some of the voices and stories that remind me why I do this work. It's about understanding that every student who walks into a classroom, whether in person or online, brings a story with them. We don't always really know and maybe understand what they had to overcome just to be here. And that's why I believe that teaching is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's a relationship, a journey, and an opportunity to see our collective humanity in action. I believe all students can learn. It's our responsibility as educators to find a way to facilitate that learning in a way that meets them where they are. I don't see myself as a reservoir for all knowledge of all things, or even my content. In fact, some of the greatest lessons I've learned have come from students. Over the past year, and even before that, when I entered into higher ed, I've had the privilege of witnessing incredible student journeys. Some have balanced full-time work obligations, families, illness, sickness, personal, and with family members and loved ones. But then they excel in their coursework. Others have overcome personal struggles just to show up and actually engage in the classroom. Every single one has reinforced why I do this work. Their resilience and curiosity and growth inspire me every single day. So there was this one student I met when I first arrived at the Blue Sky Tennessee Institute just over a year ago. She was navigating some challenges, but she kept pushing forward. Fast forward a year, and she's now a proud graduate and a valuable asset to her employer. What this particular young lady may not know and understand is the impact that she had on me as well. That's what education is about. It's mutual growth, learning from one another, and showing up for each other.
Hello everyone, my name is Pushkar Joshi. I'm a graduate student at ETSU. Dr. Young's teaching and mentorship has really been instrumental in shaping my career as a teaching assistant. She's been her mentorship, I would say, has really improved my approach to instruction, communication, and student engagement. Through her mentorship, I've developed a deeper understanding of classroom dynamics, and it has really helped me foster an environment where a student can thrive. Not only that, I would say her leadership quality, her compassionate qualities, her empathy towards other human is exemplary, and that really sets her apart.
Hi, my name is Eamon Shabazz, and I just wanted to talk about how Dr. Young has impacted my life. She has been an incredible mentor, not just in my career, but also in my personal journey. Her guidance, encouragement, and unwavering support have helped me in so many ways that I cannot even imagine. Whenever I face challenges, she is there to remind me of my potential and to push me forward. If I had to describe her impact in 3 words, it will be supportive, encouraging, and empowering. Dr. Young truly means to me so much, and she has an incredible impact on my life. I am incredibly grateful for her influence in my life. Thank you so much.
If I'm to describe the impact of Dr. Young in 3 different ways, I would say Dr. Young is transformative, she's inspiring, and she's motivational. The reason is this: she doesn't just teach her students, but she motivates her student and pushes her student to aim for nothing but the best. Thank you, Dr. Young. God bless you and continue to do what you're doing.
People assume that as educators, we're the ones doing all the teaching. And I challenge them because I truly believe that they're wrong. Students, mine, have taught me so much about perseverance, about adaptability, about meeting people where they are, how to speak up. Each semester, I see students redefine what success means for them. And I get the privilege of being a part of that journey. I don't have to sit outside and observe it. I'm an integral part of that journey, and that does my heart good. At the end of the day, good teaching will always be good teaching, no matter the level. And the best kind of teaching is the kind that transforms lives, both theirs and mine. So thank you for tuning in. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep making an impact. Until next time, this is Doc Y.